Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are gonna show you how to make zucchini breakfast. Easy and delicious. So, first of all, I'm gonna show you what we need to do this. So, we need one zucchini. We need cheese. If you have different types of cheese, that's fine. You can use different types of cheese. I'm using the Turkish cheese that I have at home. We need butter, one spoon of butter. We need olive oil. We will add afterwards. Then we need baking powder. We need 2 eggs. We need one spoon of milk, fresh milk. We need salt, we need red pepper, we need black pepper, and thymian. So now our products are ready to cook. I have cut it zucchini in very small pieces like this and very thin. Please make sure that you cut in the same way. And for the cheese, I have used grater, so it's also in small pieces like this. Now I'm gonna get it started. So we wait our butter to be melted, and afterwards we add olive oil, 1 spoon of olive oil. So I've added the olive oil here, and please also make sure that you mix both of the oils, alright? Make sure that all the butter and oil is basically boiling for our zucchini to be here. And also make sure that the fire is on very high level, because if you do not make it like that, zucchini has a lot of water in it and it will be very watery. So in order to avoid it and to make sure that our zucchini will become red and crispy, we do this. And please also try to mix it very often. So once your zucchini is crispy and red like this, then you get ready to pour there this mix. You mix 2 eggs, you add 1 spoon of milk. If you don't have milk, you can just pour there water. 1 teaspoon of powder, baking powder. You mix that up. Tamam canım, o tarafa. Then you mix up your spices and you add that to this eggy mix. And then you mix them in here. So once you mix that up, you just pour it into the zucchini. So you can check zucchini like this if it's ready or not. And here I see it's red and crispy. When you see that, you take the cheese and you put in half of the cheese. You spread it around, right? Just half of it. And then you close the half of it here. As you see, my zucchini broke in here, but it's alright. You just make sure that your cheese is in there, and when the cheese is ready, it will give you a sign like this, alright? It will be boiling, so you know that it's ready. Now, as you see, it's juicy and the cheese is melting. So our delicious breakfast is ready. Okay. Now I'm gonna, so when it's ready, you just cut them like this and then you can serve. All the cheese, as you see, is melting. I'm gonna try it out from the middle to see how it is. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow. It's soft, it's juicy, it has very nice spices. I can feel it. Oh my god, I'm gonna try it out the second time. Most delicious, most juicy, very cheesy, and the zucchini is also very nice. Oh my god, guys, I'm heavily suggesting this to try it out for you. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you have enjoyed it and I hope you're gonna try it out. So if you have time, please you can subscribe to our channel if you want to, and if you have any kind of other suggestions, please make sure to comment. Thank you. Bye bye.